mga Lamugban, dito pa rin kami dito sa kilometer 77, same place. Makita namin yung panahon na masyadong makulimlim. Kailangan tapusin namin yung videos nito. At salamat din pala sa sponsors, mga barangay tanod dito sa kilometer 77 na nagbigay ng instrumento gaya nito na cymbals at saka dalawang basta yun. Dalawa at saka bagong microphone namin. Ito, tsaka magandang keyboard. At saka nagpapasalamat din po ako sa mga nag-like sa amin sa Facebook, sa YouTube, lahat. Nagpapasalamat kami. Salamat, wag kayong salamat at wag kayong kailangan suporta pa rin kayo dito sa Lamugban. At salamat sa lahat. Mahal ko kayo guys. Para sa inyo to. Salamat. Operator, tapos.
Stand before you, accused of many crimes, but I wanna believe that love could still survive. You don't have to say it, I don't have to read your mind to know the emptiness has finally arrived. Where did I go wrong? Tell me honestly, if you still love me, looking into my eyes, honestly. Words have more meaning if they said at certain times. I need you now, so I can feel alive. How would you know if you won't give me some time to see if everything could work out? You'll be mine. Oh, will I be lost forever, or someday I may find the words that I've been searching for are just a piece of land. Tell me honestly, if you still love me, looking into my eyes, honestly. Oh, tell me honestly, if you still love me, looking into my eyes, honestly. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All the nights I sit and wonder, there must be more to life, I'm sure.
Salamat guys sa
Honestly, if you still love me, looking into my eyes, honestly. Oh, tell me honestly, if you still love me, looking into my eyes, honestly. I stand before you, accused of many crimes, but I wanna believe that love could still survive.
Salamat guys, salamat sa mga sumusuporta sa amin. Panglimang kanta namin to. Salamat sa nag-like sa Facebook. Salamat.